At times I don't even understand why these people do what they do. When you know that what you are doing, that at the end of the day, is still going to come back and haunt you. But unfortunately, most of these politicians, right from the president to the least politician, they know that whatever that comes out or what they're supposed to be, what they're supposed to pay it's not going to come out from their pockets. It's going to come out from the taxpayers' money. So they do and undo. With this issue of Emefiele, you know that he has been detained unlawfully, but they will want to try to justify, oh, because of what he has done. That does not take the fact away, from you not doing the right thing. You have to do the right thing, and anybody who has been found guilty or whatever, you know, should be held responsible. Just like we have a Nnamdi Kanu. Some people will not tell you, oh, because of the allegations levied against him, even the allegations you are unable to prove it in the law court. The next thing, they will just detain somebody. Do you know how many times they have asked the federal government to pay Nnamdi Kanu and some other people that they have held unlawfully or they are detained unlawfully? They will still not obey the rule of law, but they want the other thing. But the question is that if these people have done anything wrong, why is it taking so long? Everybody saying, oh, don't release them because they have done this. Does the federal government or the institution handling their case, do they see it in that manner? Because if they see it in that manner, they are the ones with a constituted authority to be able to discharge somebody or send the person to jail. But unfortunately, that is not what it is. Yes, from the latest we are still getting from Emefiele, court orders federal government to pay 100 million naira to SCBN governor Emefiele. Who is going to pay it? Is it the federal government? Who is the federal government? Who, in the recent, if at times when they see some things that will favor them, they will try to use the power of what's the presidency to be able to not to do the right thing. You see now, everybody is aware that this man has been held unlawfully. If a man has not been held unlawfully, then why can't you sentence him to jail? Why is this so difficult? You said you have retrieved a lot of money from him. That is to tell you that he committed such offense, and we have a punishment for such offenses. But what would they do? No, because at the end of the day, it will amount to witch hunting. A high court of the Federal Capital Territory FCT sitting at Maitama has ordered the federal government to pay the sum of 100 million naira to the embattled former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, for violating its fundamental rights. We are not saying that, or we are not hearing that some people are saying, oh, they should do that. It is the authority, it is the court itself that is telling us this, not somebody is advocating that he should be paid such an amount of money. The court, in a judgment that was delivered on Monday by Justice Olukayode Adeniyi, declared as illegal and unconstitutional the prolonged detention of Emefiele in custody of security agencies without trial. You see, it held that federal government, through its agencies, flagrantly breached Emefiele's rights that are enshrined in the 1999 Constitution as amended. Consequently, it restrained federal government and its agents from rearresting the detaining him again without an order of court. The judgment followed a fundamental rights enforcement suit that the SYCBN boss filed to query the legal propriety of his prolonged detention in custody of the Department of State Services, DSS. He had, among other things, prayed the court to award him damages to the tune of 1 billion naira. It will be recalled that Tinubu had on June 9 suspended Emefiele from office as the head of the Apex Bank. He was later arrested at his Lagos residence by DSS operatives. Emefiele had since then faced a 2-count charge of illegal possession of firearms and ammunition before the Federal High Court in Lagos, as well as another corruption charge that federal government entered against him before the Abuja High Court. Some people will not come and run their mouths. If this man, what is, I don't know, why the delay? Why can't you throw this man inside G? Why? If he has done something wrong, why the dilly-dallying here and there? Honestly, I know that they are not going to obey the law. That is one thing. Of course, the past ones have been, the past presidents and the past governments, they have been getting away with that. So this one, he will not tell you, Emiloko, it is his time to do whatever he likes. People have observed that the flaws in the Nigerian legal systems are enormous. Such is the reason for audacity for the thieves to keep looting the treasury. So meaning what Emefiele did is a planned work with this low uh, fraction of praxis or what. The question, that is not it. Nobody is saying he has done the offense that Emefiele is committing is still the same offense the people who are holding him have committed, because you cannot in one hand be telling us that you are doing the right thing and you are not obeying the law, the rule of law. You are not obeying it. Nigeria kangaroo court, Emefiele is Nigerian #1 problem. Are you people okay? Then put him where he belongs to now. Why delay? You people said he has stole this social amount, he has misappropriated social amount, which, if you go by the constitution, if you go by the law, there should be punishment for that. So why the delay? They've obtained a lot of money from him. That is to say, automatically he committed that offense. Then why delaying him? Why just putting him there? Why can't him start serving his J term or whatever? I don't understand. Some people just be talking nonsense. Yes, it's been confirmed. I don't know whether it's been confirmed, but if you are collecting money from somebody, getting money from somebody as a way of payback, whether play bargaining, maybe the person has really committed that offense, but coming to judge that it should be left there, a kangaroo this, it is unfortunate. Still, that the money is going to be wasted while the people are seeking to know where their money has gone. The same High Court should pay for the enormous damage to lives and businesses caused by Emefiele. These people, they know your get head. If he has looted, so what are they waiting for? What is the federal government, what is the court waiting for to have sentenced him to prison? That the problem he caused during his dragon selfish motivation to grabbing and looting. The judicial office is the major problem of this country. By working underground and supporting of wicked leader that looted our money, which promotes the growth of poverty of our nation. The court is defensive weapon for corrupt leaders without minding the damages that happen, while the AFCC will become like a woman that lost her husband. Hi. So guys, let's say your opinion and have a take on this development again.